Today, we're taking a closer look at a classic DSLR that made waves when it launched, the Pentex K10d. Known for its rugged build, in-body stabilization, and advanced features at an affordable price, design-build quality, the Pentex K10d was introduced in 2006, and right from the start, it impressed photographers with its solid magnesium alloy body and weather-sealed design. This was a rarity in its price range at the time. Sensor image quality: the K10d houses a 10.2 megapixel CCD sensor paired with Pentex's prime image processor. The CCD sensor delivers rich, vibrant colors and excellent detail at lower ISOs. Autofocus performance: the K10d uses an 11-point SafeOx 8 autofocus system. In good light, it's fairly quick and accurate, but in low light, it does slow down. Video capabilities: it's important to note that the K10d does not record video. At the time, DSLRs were still focused on photography, so this is purely a stills camera. Battery life: the rechargeable lithium-ion battery provides around 500 shots per charge, which is quite good for a DSLR of its generation. Overall, the Pentex K10d may be an older DSLR, but it still has a special place in the hearts of many photographers. If you enjoy shooting in good light, want access to Pentex's legendary lenses, and value a tough, weather-sealed body, this camera is still a fun and reliable choice. Thank you so much.